little yellow bird sitting there on the black sunflower.
I've seen him once before. It's been about a week.
Okay.
You're enjoying your sunflower.
Oh, of course he is. He says just a little nibble nibble.
Oh, it warms the heart.
And then there's something down lower like a butterfly or
Oh,
something.
it's another little bitty bird.
Is
It's
it?
that little one I told you about I seen on the chimney top. The
Oh.
thing ain't but about an inch tall, it looks like.
Oh.
And it's fast.
Yeah.